Welcome. Let's see how we can install and run VS Code in Linux operating system. It might be Ubuntu Kali or other distro. Firstly, open your favorite browser. Then type Visual Basic Code. Click on the official site that shows up. Here you can see the .deb file. Click on it and downloading will be started. Save it to the Downloads folder of your PC. Now search for the terminal. Here in the terminal window type cd downloads where our .deb file located. Type the ls command to see the files. To install this .deb file, type sudo dpkg. You can see the commands in the description below, then copy the file name from the above by pressing Ctrl+Shift+C. And paste it here using Ctrl+Shift+V. Now hit the enter. Type your system password. It will start installing. I have already installed, so it shows some message here. After installation, VS Code window will open. Just pin it to the taskbar here for easy access. Thank you. Hit the like and don't forget to subscribe our channel.